Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Curtis. Curtis writes from Nyack, New York. And Curtis writes, I read that Zillow closed its iBuying arm. Does that surprise you? Well, Curtis, yeah, another one bites the dust. Last week, Zillow announced that they're going to shut down their iBuying arm, which is their fix and flip business, and they're also going to lay off 25% of their workforce. So obviously that's a big announcement. I'm not really surprised by that. Fix and flips are really not core to what Zillow has been doing anyway, which is primarily making homeowners think that their home their home is worth more than it actually is, and getting them to click on ads. But the fix and flip business, I've been doing it for almost 20 years myself. It requires experience, it requires local market knowledge. And they're also trying to scale this. So, I'm skeptical of most Wall Street backed real estate startups. It's one thing to raise money, which is what they did, and buy houses. But, residential real estate businesses, they are not, they're not passive investments. You have to work the assets that you buy, whether you're managing a portfolio of rental properties or individual fix and flip rehab properties. And obviously they bid off a lot more than they could chew. Luckily, the homes that they will sell now, there are thousands of them, will be much needed in many local real estate markets where there is a severe housing shortage. But most of these kind of real estate, Wall Street backed startups aspire to gain monopoly power, which is a very tall order. And what they end up often doing is just buying as much as they can, overpaying for properties so that they can raise more money. And when they're in buying mode, as Zillow had been, they often distort local real estate markets. And it's these types of companies that are one of the reasons why housing prices have been skyrocketing recently in the last year, 20 to 25%. Most of these companies have a short-term focus, so hopefully they'll find another shiny object to chase and get out of the real estate business in general. So thanks for your question, Curtis. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.